The magnet of vibration magnetometer is heated so as to reduce its magnetic moment by 36%. By doing this, the periodic time of the magnetometer will. Okay students, we know that the period of oscillation of a magnetic needle or a magnet in an external uniform magnetic field is given by T equal to 2 pi root I by mb. Now here the magnet is heated so as to reduce its magnetic moment by 36%. So what happened is periodic time. So from this formula we can write here time period of oscillation is inversely proportional to square root of magnetic moment. So that is, as the magnetic moment is reduced, periodic time or time period will increase. So here initial magnetic moment is taken as m, final magnetic moment m2 becomes, that is reduced by 36%, which means that initial magnetic moment minus 36 by 100 into m. From this m2 is given by simply 64 by 100 m, that is 64% of that initial magnetic moment. So from this formula here we can write here T1 by T2 is equal to root over m2 by m1. From this T1 by T2 is equal to root over m2, that is 64 by 100 m1, that is m by m. This mm get cancelled, which given by that 8 by 10. From this T2 equal to 10 by 8 T1, that is T2 is greater than T1, which means that the time period will increase. Now what is the percentage of increase in time period? That is T2 minus T1 by T1 into 100, which is equal to 10 by 8 T1 minus T1 divided by T1 into 100, which is equal to, simply will get 2 by 8 into 100, 2 4 jar 4 25 jar, it is equal to 25%. That means the time period will increases by 25%. So correct option is second one.